Got the fire stoked up good in case the power goes out. It'll stay warm in here.
Yeah.